Photosynthesis is the process that allows plants to turn sunlight into energy they can actually use. It happens mostly in the leaves, where special cells contain green pigments called chlorophyll that absorb light. When sunlight hits these pigments, it triggers a reaction that starts converting water and carbon dioxide. Water comes from the roots, traveling up through tiny tubes, while carbon dioxide enters through leaf pores. Inside the leaf, these ingredients meet in structures called chloroplasts, where the real transformation begins. The light energy splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, releasing the oxygen back into the air. Hydrogen stays behind and combines with carbon dioxide to form glucose, a type of sugar plant store. This sugar fuels the plant's growth, helping it build stems, leaves, and even fruits over time. The oxygen released during this process is what animals and humans breathe to stay alive every day. So, while plants make food for themselves, they also create the air that supports most life on Earth. Photosynthesis only happens when there's enough light, which is why plants grow best in sunny places. At night or in low light, the process slows down and plants rely on stored energy to survive. Some plants adapt to shady environments by having larger leaves to catch more light when it's available. Others, like desert plants, store water efficiently to keep photosynthesis going even in dry conditions. The balance between light, water, and carbon dioxide determines how well a plant can perform photosynthesis. Without this process, ecosystems would collapse, as plants form the base of nearly every food chain. Even algae and oceans use photosynthesis, producing much of the oxygen we breathe without us noticing. It's a quiet miracle happening constantly, turning sunlight into life with every leaf that catches the light. Photosynthesis reminds us how deeply connected we are to nature, even in ways we rarely think about. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.